The good news is that I got Accenture वाले क्या हाल चाल? Short review on my every product. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very glad to share a good news with you guys. I will come to that point later on. Firstly, thank you so much for giving me so much love and support. Unexpectedly, I got 25k around views on my work from home setup video. मैंने इतनी उम्मीद भी नहीं लगाई थी, मेरे ज़ीरो एक्सपेक्टेशन थे और मुझे 25,000 व्यूज़ मिल गए. सो मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है. एट द सेम टाइम मुझे बहुत डर था कि मुझे पैसे मिलेंगे कि नहीं. मैंने वीडियो तो डाल दिया बट पता नहीं मुझे पैसे मिलेंगे कि नहीं. जिस वक्त मैंने वीडियो डाला था उस टाइम पे मुझे डर नहीं था. मतलब मैंने तो ऐसे ही डाल दिया वीडियो बिकॉज आई थॉट कि चलो लोगों की हेल्प हो जाएगा. बट देन मैनी कॉमेंट्स केम. आई मीन और एक्सेंचर वाले क्या हाल चाल. बहुत कमेंट कर रहे हैं आप लोगों ने. हाँ बताओ कि रीएम्बर्स हुआ कि नहीं, पैसा मिला कि नहीं, whether you got money, whether you got reimbursed your earbuds, your speakers and all. Oh my god, so many questions. देख लो, आप ही लोग देख लो.
You got speaker in the first, right? Will they pay for it? Did you get all items reimbursed and speaker got reimbursed? Graphic tablet is allowed to claim. Get the reimbursement value for this product. Wacom tablet reimburse हुआ क्या? Did you get reimbursement for Wacom tablet?
So don't worry, I will reveal that which products I got reimbursed and which got rejected. I know many of you will comment below that कोई भी टॉपिक पे वीडियो बना रही है. किसी ने ये भी लिखा था खाते वक्त बना लो वीडियो दीदी. So यार अब बनाना पड़ता है लोगों को हेल्प करने के लिए. Anyways, this video is for Accenture people who saw my last video of work from home setup. And if you haven't applied for work from home setup or you didn't bought or you are not Accenture people, then you can just skip this video. It's all your choice. So yeah, the good news is that I got reimbursed my each and every penny. So yeah, I got 17,939 rupees. Can you imagine? I'm so happy today. Today is छोटी दिवाली और मुझे मेरा एक एक पैसा वापस मिल गया. So don't worry guys, आप लोगों को डाउट था कि मुझे वाइट बोर्डिंग टैबलेट का पैसा मिलेगा कि नहीं, मुझे ईयरबड्स के पैसे मिलेंगे कि नहीं, कीबोर्ड का मिलेगा कि नहीं. अरे डोंट वरी, go to my product links and buy. You can buy each and every product. I got my money today and many of you commented 1 month back that whether you got the money back or not. Sorry guys, I didn't reply you because I didn't know what to reply. I mean, I replied few of them that I didn't got reimbursed because I didn't apply for it. Actually, I was waiting for the products to come and I applied for reimbursement on October. And after 1 month we get reimbursed, right? So before 5th of every month we get reimbursed. So I got my money today. Today is 4th November and I got each and every rupees which I deserved. And आप लोग शक कर रहे होंगे कि कैसे मिल गया, कुछ कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स तो मिलने नहीं चाहिए थे. Go through that PDF. I explained on a Q&A video that which products deserve reimbursement and which not. So you will get reimbursed to each and every product that I bought. It's your choice. You want to buy or not, you can buy accordingly. So yeah, this was very important to inform you guys that I got reimbursed each and every money. So yeah, I'm so happy today to share with you guys. Okay, chalo. So coming to the next topic, I would give a short review on my every product. So talking about earbuds were of Bose. So I would give honest review that Bose earbud were very cute and very nice. It's very handy, it's easy to carry, so it's quite nice. But the problem is that when I work out or when I run, there are chances it can fall from your ears. So हाँ, एक्सरसाइज करते वक्त और बहुत भागदौड़ी में कान से गिर सकता है. So this is a disadvantage of that earbud. But बाकी everything is nice. So if other things works for you, then I will highly recommend that you can go for that earbud. It's cheap in price, so I mean you can go for it. Next I will talk about whiteboarding tablet. सबसे ज़्यादा शक किए जाने वाली प्रोडक्ट. आप सभी को, ऑलमोस्ट सभी को डाउट था कि whiteboarding टैबलेट का रिएम्बर्समेंट मिलेगा कि नहीं. सो गाइज, वो टैबलेट प्रॉपर टैबलेट नहीं है, वो whiteboarding टैबलेट है. सो मेंशन था PDF में कि आप whiteboarding टैबलेट खरीद सकते हो. एंड वैकॉम का whiteboarding टैबलेट टीचर्स यूज़ करते हैं फॉर प्रेजेंटेशन, फॉर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. सो वो वैकॉम की whiteboarding टैबलेट उसी पर्पज़ के लिए बना है. सो वो रिएम्बर्स हो गया है. एंड you can just go to other videos on YouTube. It's highly recommended whiteboarding tablet. So it's working perfectly well and I would give honest review. मुझे उस whiteboarding tablet की ज़्यादा काम नहीं आई, but my father is professor, so he is using it. So his review is that tablet is working very nice and it is very well in presentations and kind of thing. So yeah. Next I would talk about extension cord. Obviously extension cords are very helpful, but the extension cord which I bought is very nice because its switching system is very nice. But yeah, the cord is not much long, but overall it's very nice. If your main plug is nearby to the destination, then you can buy the extension cord. Else if you need a long length cord, then don't buy it. But otherwise it is very nice extension cord. It's been 1 month, I didn't face any issue. Next, talking about speaker. This is also the product जिसके लिए आप लोगों को बहुत शक था कि मुझे reimbursement मिलेगा कि नहीं, but मुझे मिल चुका है. और the speaker I'm talking about is Mevi Roam 2 speaker. You know, I bought another speaker for my mom because that speaker works perfectly fine. So it has great sound quality and yeah, it is a Bluetooth speaker. It's very helpful, it's portable, so I would highly recommend it. Talking about the next product, cooling pad. Cooling pad, honestly मुझे उतना काम नहीं आया cooling pad का because I'm not gaming person. But yeah, I think when we do high coding, I mean whole day if we are doing coding and whole day we are working, it comes the need for using the cooling pad. But till now I didn't use it much, but yeah, I have used it few days to just see that whether it works well or not. The cooling pad is also working very nice. For high gaming, I won't recommend that cooling pad. You can go for any other highly priced cooling pad. But for normal, for us, you know, you can buy that cooling pad. Next, talking about keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse looks awesome. It works perfectly fine. You can buy it, and I have no other words to say. It's really well. Next, talking about laptop stand. Laptop stand is of aluminium and it's foldable. It gets folded into, you know, into small area, so it's very easy to carry. So in that sense, the laptop Razer is very nice. You can buy it. If you want a metal laptop stand, then you can just go for it. But if you want any other cheap laptop stand, then please buy any other laptop stand. For me, it works very well. Next, talking about back resting cushion. See, I'm still sitting on this, and yeah, it is very relaxing. You can definitely buy it. So this is my review for back resting cushion. This is so good. And next product, power bank. Power bank, you know, MI power banks are very nice. I don't know about any other power banks, but there are many power banks which are very good. I bought the MI power bank. It works very well, so I would recommend it. Next, talking about power backup for modem. Power backup for modem, I didn't use it much. I mean, it is working well, but if you are living in such area where power doesn't cut much, then don't buy it. I think you can buy any other product instead of that. I needed it because sometimes due to heavy rainfall, it is needed. But if you don't have any such issue, then you don't buy it. You can buy any other product. Just save that money and buy any other product. My last product is mousepad. Mousepad was very cute, and what to give review about mousepad? I mean, it's very soft, it's smooth. My mouse is working so well on it. So yeah, mousepad is also very nice. I would highly recommend it. So this were my review on my products. I will attach the links for my products in the description box. Please check it out and you can buy it if you want to. It's totally your choice. If you like it, then please buy it. and I try to help a bit from my side. बाकी आपकी मर्जी है, आपको खरीदना है तो खरीदो, else you can also do your research and buy any other products. And thank you so much for giving me so much love, so many views I got unexpectedly, so thank you so much for that. And yeah, I would repeat the good news again that I got reimbursed for my each and every product. So yeah, बिना कोई झिझक के खरीद लो सारे सामान. And also few people who joined late, they had doubt that whether they can buy their products or not. So I came to know that from other few of my friends who joined lately, they said that they can buy work from home setup, and for their cycle it's valid till August 2022. So just buy it, and I would recommend that buy it within 1 or 2 months only, because maybe office reopens, and so just buy before that. It will be a great use for you. So yeah, that's all from my side. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also comment below if you want a detailed review on my products, and also comment down below that which kind of videos you want. Also, happy Diwali to all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.